By collecting information from multiple sources and from multiple levels, we can ensure that any investments in training produce a positive return. When companies skip the needs assessment process, they essentially put their investment in training at risk. Unfortunately, when they do this, some of these situations may occur. Training cannot solve every problem. Some problems cannot be addressed by even the best training programs. Pressure points like poor performance and customer dissatisfaction do not automatically mean that training is needed and that training can solve the issue. Other HR activities may be better suited to address some issues. Training may focus on the wrong content, be based around inappropriate objectives and outcomes. It may use the wrong training methods. Not that there is a right or wrong approach, but we have to carefully match the features of a training program to the needs of the organization. Trainees may not have the right KSAOs. They may not be prepared for training. They may not even be motivated to show up. We could plan a wonderful training event and no one shows up because we did not take the time to motivate them, communicate with them, get them excited about attending this training program. And finally, training may not deliver the expected results, and the entire investment may have been a waste of money and time. You can see how important the needs assessment process is, but too many companies skip this step. Don't be one of those companies. Make sure you conduct a needs assessment before you design any training program, even if that program is part of an existing curriculum.